working problem. How to fix Tiki app not working problem. So hello and what's up guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I have told you how I can help you, right? So how you can solve your problem in Tiki app. So guys, for that you have to go in your settings, and after going in settings you have to search for your app management. um App management. So now you can see. So guys, in my mobile I have app management and app permissions both, but I have to click in app management, and after that what I have to do, I have to just click for app list, and now you can see this loading my apps are. So after this, here you can just scroll down or you can just search by Tiki app. Sorry, Tiki. So after coming here you have to just come in the storage users and you have to clear cache and clear data. After doing that you have to come in the permissions and you have to allow in all the managers. Okay guys, so after that you have to come in the force stop and you have to click force stop, and after that you have to switch off your mobile ones, and after that you have to switch on your mobile ones. So guys, this is how you have to do in your Tiki app.